Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Royalton. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm staying at the Royalton Blue Waters Hotel here in Trelawney, Jamaica. It's listed as Montego Bay, Jamaica. Whichever one, it's the same hotel. This hotel has two different sections. There's the Royalton White Sands and the Royalton Blue Waters. I'm on the Blue Waters side. Today I'm going to take you on the tour of the room. So just journey with me and let's go. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's just get into the video now. You ready? You ready? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Tell people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy and I go.
Alright, so let's start off this tour. So I'm gonna take you guys from the balcony and then over all the way to the door, right? So as we're getting from the balcony here, there are two beds. And of course, I only slept on one because I can't sleep on two beds. But it's a double occupancy room, so you can have two persons in the room sharing the space. I think you would have to be like really close to the person that you'll be sharing this space with, because there's a bathtub inside the room. So you step out of your bed and you step into the bathtub. So if you're not very close to that person, I don't recommend that you share the room with them. So this is more of an intimate setting, you know, just to get you dirty on or whatever. So over on in this corner is a little couch, a coffee table, and then a vanity area. You can do your makeup, and it's right next to the light, so the light hits you and you can get to see yourself when you're putting yourself together. Over here, this is where we have the two beds. So as I said, this is where you'd be sharing with someone. There's a nightstand area in the middle with a telephone and a remote. Over here, as you walk over, there's the bathtub. So you step from your bed into the bathtub, right? That's kind of cool. So there is no wall to part off the bathroom from the bedroom, but the good thing is that there's a curtain, so you can, you know, partition the areas, but it's not a wall. As we go into the bathroom, there's the bathtub area right here, where you just have your nice little bubble jacuzzi setting. Then over on this side is a regular vanity area where you get dressed, you know, face basin, sinks. Then there is a standing shower here. It's a standing shower, and it has seating area that you can sit. And then of course the pipes. There's a ceiling shower here, and then there's another ceiling one over there, and it's enough room to get clean, I think. Then when you come over to this area, there's like another little vanity area that you can get dressed right here. Store your makeup and your jewelry here. So say you're sharing a room with like your best friend. Two girls come on with a girls trip. She takes one of the bed, you take the other bed. You can get dressed here while she gets dressed on the vanity that I showed you earlier. So that's kind of cool. And then the toilet area is locked off here, and it's literally just the toilet. It's in a room to itself. So that's private, because I mean, if you're sharing with someone, you need to go. You don't need them to be all up in the business, you know, especially since the bathroom is so open to the bedroom. So it's good that they put it away, locked away, you know, so you can go in peace. So yeah, this is basically the bed. It is so nice, and of course it's an all-inclusive resort. So there's a mini fridge right under the TV that is stocked with the beverage. There's beer, there's water, there's soda, so I can drink as much and have it replenished in the morning. This is a coffee, tea, and the water for teas. So that's kind of cool. So let me take you and show you what the balcony area looks like. All right, so this is the balcony. As you can hear, they're mowing the lawn and the water is going, and you know, so it's very low there. I hope you can hear me, but this is what the outside looks like. Now this property is so nice. So nice. And then there's water slide over there. You know, some persons that are on the ground floor, they get a swim up pool that comes to their room. I don't have that luxury right now, but you know, it's better than nothing. I like what I have. I can just go outside and go enjoy the pool. This is the balcony area. You know, we got 2 chairs. I mean, ignore what it looks like right now. But yeah, and this is what the bedroom looks like from this angle. This is what it looks like. I liked how modern the room and the facilities were. I especially liked the fact that I was able to order room service straight from the TV. I could view everything that's on the menu and just order right there. That was like super cool. You know, I didn't have to really interact over the phone to call and ask what is there, you know, even though that's not a big deal, but just to have that second option to order from the TV makes the experience that much better. I also like the fact that we're given waterproof handbands, which also doubles as the room key. So when we're outside using the slides or whatever other water feature, you have your key on you and it reduces the likelihood of losing that key. So it acts as a win-win because we don't lose the key and then they don't have to replace it when we lose it in the water. So that I thought was really cool. So far so good. I'm liking the room. I like what I see. Slept last night and the sleep was comfortable. I have no complaints so far. For cleanliness, I give it 5 out of 5. For looks and appearance, I give it 5 out of 5. For comfort, it gets 5 out of 5. For ambiance, 5 out of 5. So far I give it 5 stars, man. I wouldn't mislead you. I like it. I like it. I'll definitely come back. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it will help you in your decision making process if you're ever in Jamaica, ever on this side of the coast. I think Royalton is a good option. Royalton Blue Waters, that is a good option. I have another room tour and review of Royalton White Sands, so please go and check that out so you can compare the difference, because one is cheaper, so you can decide which one you prefer to go to. But I just want to say thank you guys again for being here. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and just keep coming and keep growing, and let's keep doing this. I love this and I am so grateful for your support. So anyways guys, until next time.